Delimitations maramli yangsang mikhavai BJP State Level Committee sem haira Chili Tribal Naukazangli Tribal Youth Council Manipur na makhamaya ngawao haira. Kugi Meitei Rot Kamrat Tangkhul Amei Nathanda aje Delhi Kazi Pamra. Manipur we MLA Shini Northeast Democratic Alliance Kathanali Samphang haira. Leikhayang Thor, aja Tangkhul Express Pvt Pau Ringyaophi Ningshen in a Pamidele, Pau Ping Maisaina Nganang Rumsa. Delimitations maramli yangsang kavai BJP Manipur Pradesh with State Level Committee Kasemali, Tribal Kathana Ping Gazang, Jima Mayaman the Tribal Youth Council Manipur TYCM General Headquarters na Ngawao Haira. Hangda Khalei Committee Jili MLA Tibu Gangmei Jonathan Tao State Vice President BJP Manipur Pradesh Kala Prisho Shimri State Spokesperson BJP Manipur Pradesh Atumla members Hada Kazangji TYCM na Mamayaman na Chihairan. Delimitations exercise li BJP Manipur Pradesh na makamaya painga nind huihaida Khalei Jila TYCM na mamaya lakmana Chihairan. Council Jina Mikashok Chan Pauli, the Sangha Express li Pong Kami Pauli Paisin the Hanga. Direct Kanitang Pong Kami Pau Jili BJP Manipur Pradesh na Direct Akatang Gazib Kapamli State Level Committee G Kasem. Kala 2001 census li Panaka Kasa delimitations li Makamaya Maram Zangaji. Delimitations G 2001 census Sedali Panaka Masapai Lakmanaka Jinga Zeka the Hanga. Party Jina delimitations exercise li mamayamara da taka highway chili key basis aina committee ji kasem khala da TYCM na BJP Manipur Pradesh li khangahan sai. Jigatha duitak tahayaka committee jili tribal mi gazang ji kakhalat malaimana da council jina hanga. Committee jili kasang maya khangai jiwa party jina taka high delimitations li makhamaya duitak jili khamayang sai. Kalaji Manipur tribal now Pingwi Ninga Changli Ngasung Hawa the Council Jina Hang Hairam. Council Jina Kahang Manipur State 2001 census li Kangwi Zangasaji Mashumida Indian Sharkan official gazette notifications of India li Sangmi Haira 2001 census we me machine 1.3 billion kaya the machine G 26 Mayo 2001 li registered generals and census commissioners of India na Pongmia. Jiwethi sure the 2011 census ji Ningachang Mukub Makailak aina yangsang laga Sada Indian Sharkar na officially Pongmia. Kala jiwe populations 1.21 billion shithaya the council jin hangsang. Supreme Court na tizi kamiyathi sure the delimitations process ji atam mazang sak luila sakhavai Elections Commissions of India li ngakaw haira. Karot na tizi kami magasa jina judiciary li yariwi shitkasang sudang sak haura gaji council jin hanga. Delimitations process kachang kachumay lungli sakavai Supreme Court na jizi kamijili TYCM na katoma gaji pongshok haira. Ministry of Home Affairs Nathanda Bamgi gaji chan ngazek wuivang All Manipur's United Club Organization AMUCO kala Federations of Civil Society Organization FOCS Manipur wi miping aya Delhi wa haira. Gazib ji kugiye na Meitei alungli Center Shorkar dwi ngamime sada kang hotnara. AMUCO we meeting President Nanda Luwangala Senior Advisors Ido Thongram ina Dr. Danabir Leishram Zangachi. FOCS we mi aka zangra da hanga. Bawat hishur da jan ngazek jili kamataya sada territorial integrity, security maram jan really kahap later khalei. Separate administrations kabohi katha maram ngasan labai. Manipur we MLA Shini na Northeast Democratic Alliance NEDA we convener Himanda Biswa Sarmali Samphang Hairan. Pau hi kasang atamay na tangda atum ngaso kapam juwi maram mapong miranga. Khalei da khalei Manipur we political angaretli yang laga kazipchi ki maram khala gaji yarwi thengai de reo leidele. NEDA we akokali vasam kapang Manipur we mipingji Ge Govinda Singh, GH Ibomja Singh, TH Shanti Singh, M Rameshwar Singh, TH Shyam Kumar Singh, L Susindro Meitei, Muhammad Abdul Nasir Kala, Ge Sarat Singh, General Secretary BJP Manipur Atum Zanga. Atum officials Chan Pao Mashokmana, Ka Kazip China political religiments Maninga Ka Manipur we ruling camps alungli Kangaje, Kwira Kavai, Kangaran, Ningrak, Samda Lega Gaji, Ning Kamong, Lenga Sakairan. BJP we Northeast expansion ni NDA na khamataya ot ngurut khuihauta chikatha gzip chi sa khamataya twitak khuiling sunda thai khui khangasak leida khaleina kha gzip chi horja kahai maram khila khala gaji pau honma mandale Manipurli rot marata khalei communities khani shuwa lungli final gazip centers na masangla Delhi li khikara gachi Amei na hanghaira Union Home Minister Amei na aya Rajya Sabha li matwida Manipur we communities khani we alungli jingri kahai jan ngaze khalei we kan khana maram hangsanga Stately President's rule hai khawa Union Sarkar na maning changmana kachila minister china hangsanga Marun Tarik Trada Akatang Manipur with Chief Minister and Parents Singh na Otpam Juho Kahai Witili Party Kiba Kashina Sarkar proposed Masatuda Situations Wuivang Center na President's Rules Hai Kawai Tuita Katana da Shana Hangsanga. Medikal Gugi Zo Welungli Ache Tarik Pangatang Center na Tanda Chan Ngaze Kwikara Teleya. Manipur we Assembly constituencies the limitations maramli yangsang mikhavai BJP with state level committee semhaira BJP Manipur Pradesh President A Sharda Devi na committee G semhaira gaji he BJP Manipur Pradesh office memorandum ajahon tarik chum thang pau mishoka Pau Juwathi Shurda Committee Jili Kazang members K Sarat Kumar Singh State General Secretary TH Biswajit Singh MLA Thongju G Govinda Singh MLA Bishanpur G Shyam MLA Lang Thabal P Projent Singh MLA Thobal Y Radheshyam Singh MLA Kakching T Robindro Singh MLA Thanga Dibu Gangme MLA Nungba K Imbomja Singh MLA Lamlai KH Rakumani Singh MLA Uribok, Jonathan Tao State VP Karong, Prisho Shimre State Spokesperson Chingai, Askar Ali Makamayum President Minority Morcha, Lilong Atum Sanga. Manipur with district ngadataytali improvised explosive device IEDs Lekasa security force na Pakwihaira. Indian Army, Assam Rifles, CRPF, ITBP, PSF kala Manipur Police with team na Pemtang operations kawali IEDs grenades ammunitions kala khudlai kate phakuyada aya official pau shoka Tare kutumdang security force na phagakhui khudlai bingji .303 rifles 7.62 mm SLR single barrel shotgun SPPL kala pistols khani ammunitions da S Mongbi Ridge Gangbokpi district li Lekasana Wijins Imphal East li Kudlai Chishat Sampanga Jili 12-bore single barrel rifles kala improvised mortars Shini Zangam. Sajirok Imphal West li SLR SPPL rifles kala pistols katum tarik khanitang Pakhuyachi. Mayo tarik tumrata akatang security personnels na 2.3 kg shika karit IEDs khani ammunition sangda Kaprang Churachandpur district li Pakhuyam. Tarik Tumra Tangla bolt action rifles kani pistols aka locally made bombi firearms katum Tangjing Hills Bishnupur district li Sampanga officials na kahang atam chada operations khawaji na khudlai bingji ngawida shijin kapai ji khamkhui kahaina khudlai haiga sajiling asunda Indian Arms Act with sections kadatai de wezingli FIR thasang haira investigations that delay the hanga Sakhamangli shigachin plastic nangale makau khangasak he control sakhavai yarili SUB single use plastic public grievance app Ringyaophi sakhavai Manipur Pollution Control Board MBCB na kasat haira SUB public grievance app ji mi jumaidali thenga sakra gaji twitter ki Imphal city therma thengda kahai maramli moyo direction thangabam board chiwi interdepartmental coordinations kazib kakhani witili katana da hanga SUB Public Grievance App G Reader Center Pollution Control Board CBCP Delhi na launch Sami Hairasai. Kalaji Sakha Shigachin plastic water single use plastic items masing kawai kasali katom kawai sem kashokna. Plastic Waste Management Rules 2016 lingasunda Indiana single use plastic items spends kashi shurda SUB what shikachin kasem la stock kasa kayakha yarina concerned authorities li hangwa khawai fj shichin lugachina Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Bangladesh with Chief Advisors Muhammad Yunus li kharchan kasa sampangda ngalei jili khalei minorities being with safety wuivang Indian na ning kakharik phongshok haira Bangladeshi Sarkar na atumi security yangsang mira gaji India na jihan na gaji hangji the haira Hindu bingjang da minorities pingli zakshida saga hai ochot pingjili ning chang aina yangsang mira gachi shitsanga da India na hang hairam. Kathana Khaniji Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral and Technical Cooperations PIMSTC we submit kazipli samkapangna. Modina Unisli samkapang maramhi Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri na kahangna. Democratic Stable kasachingri khawai Manga Khawai Inclusive Kala Bangladesh Li India na Katoma Gaji Prime Minister Motina Hanglu Shit Hairan. PM na Layret Maram Li Hangda Ain Check Chinda Hai Khawai Kala Illegal Porters Kamakant Malang Sa Khawai Hangachi. Lok Sabha Aya signed and adjourned Sada Tharau Tumrada Akhatang Haugopok Budget Session Kupsang Hairan. Aya Ngasan House Kazipta Lok Sabha Speakers Om Birla na valedictory remarks milaga House chi sign dine kupsang mihaira. Congress Kathana Sonia Kanti Wijanli Makamia Treasury benches na ning kangate boda sessions shirot maratre sakuya. WAF bills chi mathata mga san na danti eina maya kang sak kahaina da Sonia Kanti na hanghawa da chili makamaya shokta chiwi ngawun kang rob ina House pungaka shikang sam. Itum na taypay, mitara kana makamaya WAF amendment bills chi House kaninina mayami haira. WAF kachihi kashamay na hangaka Islam later marine wuivang maningaka ngajon mikhavai wuivang da kaishok kahai lanli kahangna. Jigata lan bingchi akashida kaishok mihayaka katangay na tangda wuivang atumi vare alali chikat kahai sada mahantla mga jailupay manan. Lanji religious la maninga ka charity wuivang shichin palungi kachina. Kalaji jikatha lanji shikachint la kahaili yang sang khawai ayin sada WAF X chi khaleina. WAF systems chi jamla kahai zingkum shasha ka kahai Islamic zat khanana. Hilika jikatha na awilant la ngalei religious maninga ka tradable purpose wuivang jikata chi WAF boards na manage kasana. Shorkar na kangache kwikara ngajaili State WAF Boards ina Central's WAF Council li Muslim makaning members la zangra chikahaina. Donations kameji zingkum phangakada Muslims kasa kahai mingasa phlungra kachila amendment chili zangam. Kala WAF Boards we Chief Executive Officers chi Muslim phlungra kachi recruitment chili kushok hairachi. Kangache kwikara centers na WAF Boards Singkavai Kasanada Ning Kakharikle. Kaji Mama Shumanada Union Ministers of Parliamentary Affairs Kiren Rijiju Nang Hankai. WAF Boards we Kashokazang Yangasangala beneficiaries to Muslim communities we Mangli Lebabamra Gaji Rijiju Hangam. Amendment bills to constitutionals Masamana the Council Katana Kala opposition parties being na Mamayamana. Kangache Kwikara China India we Muslim minorities community we Mashunli Sazaya Dale. Shorkar wishong ina la bilji WAF manage kasali terming sa kavaina da hanga. Bilji parliamentarily Miami kahai wichili ayang alangda meeting ting na Kolkata Chennai Ahmedabad chili makamaya protest za chithe hairam. Bengal capital chili protest kasana uping na WAF amendment chi makwisang mana WAF bills chi khalanlu da ngabaw ngarok hairam. News agency eina na kahang taka protest kachunga joint forums for WAF protections na tanda kasana. WAF Amendment Bill 2025 we Kangayat Supreme Court Fashung Haira, AIMIM Chief Asauddin OIC Kala Congress MP Muhammad Jawed na Bill Jiwi Constitutional Validity Challenge Sada Maramchi Asili Kwiva Haira. Ladluita Ajawi Kamataya Pauping. Delimitations Maramli Yangsang Mikhavai, BJP State Level Committee Sem Haira, Chili Tribal Naukazangli Tribal Youth Council Manipur na Makamaya Ngavaw Haira. Kugi Meitei Rot Kamrat Tangkhul Amei Nathanda Aje Delhi Kazi Pamra. Manipur we MLA Shini Northeast Democratic Alliance Kathanali Samphang Haira. Aju we bow healing a chang haira, bow another clay Nathum saikorali, Ringyaophi kala kamhai, Zimik Shong Saserna.